Alright, thank you. I'm back. Do you guys miss me? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So, my name is Muhammad Hilmi. I'm the lead developer in AiN testing. And yeah, today I will try to present about Selenium, how we can innovate Selenium, and something that really make my heart really happy and I learn about Selenium. Really. So, Selenium. What is Selenium? I pretty much know that a lot of you guys already know what Selenium is. Selenium is the automation tools, but it is open source and also it uses scripts to write it. And there's an AiN unit right there. AiN unit is a bridge or a library that we can integrate with C#. So let's carry on. Yeah. Selenium lets automate de-automate. What does that mean? That means Selenium is an automation tools for automate our website testing, but we can automate that for us. So it's going to be more easier for us in the near future. Yeah, this is Mr. Link, another virtual guy, right? Just now you guys have seen a robot, and now you guys see Mr. Link. So Mr. Link, he has some problems statement, right? Maybe we can help him, but we need to hear what he wants to say first. I'm sorry, there's no subtitles, so maybe there's a susah nak faham sikit lah, right?
I'm a tester. I use Selenium for automated testing, and I have a problem though. Every time the code or the website change, I need to update my codes for testing, and that is really cumbersome because sometimes a little changes will break my code, and I need to dive deep into the source code to see again what is the changes. And it's going to be a big help if someone can help me, right, to do much quicker so I can focus on another thing. And that's really I really appreciate it. And just like you see, these a simple login pages, but it will take a lot of time if there's changes on the website. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for having me, right?
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Link. Yeah, so let's try to recap what Mr. Link tried to told us what is problem. So he is a tester, he used Selenium, right? With AiN units, but when developer change something in the code, he might be need to refresh his script back and need to dig down deep into the codes of source code, maybe thousands of lines of source codes. Even maybe there's a button, right? A button, but maybe that button suddenly developer change the ID of the button, so we don't know what's the button anymore, right? So, as a programmer, I've learned a lot about we need to solve a problem. I have learned a lot. We need to do something more efficient and try to maybe just our friends need something more efficient, and we try to think how we can solve it. So let's see the problem right now. Repetitive tasks, it decrease employee satisfaction and also productivity, right? So if you need to write again and again and again the test script, when developer change a little bit of code, that going to burn you guys down because you need to write again and write again, right? So let's try to automate that task. So basically, we are doing automation on top of automation. There's this graph here. The percentage, I'm really sure is an accurate one because I found it in Google. So first, we save time a lot. So instead of we try to deep the source code and try to write the source code, we can just focus on another like documentation, something like that. And also we also have eliminate human error and less revision, less fighting, recover time loss. So we recover time loss from doing the task, repetitive task. So that's important thing. As a programmer, I think repetitive tasks, if we can automate it, we try to automate it. So, introducing every students, every programmer, favorite tools, OpenAI, and also Selenium, also annually. So, basically, OpenAI, they have a package for the API, and also they also have a way for us to like tweak the API, so it's going to be on our flow, right? So if you want to create a test script, we can tweak the API a little bit and say, I want this output. We can do that actually, right? And not even just OpenAI, we also have something like, I forgot the name, but we have something in GitHub, open source model learning that we can try to use. But this is just a prototype, so just to show to you guys, right? So this is how we do before. Cumbersome. So we have some website. We need to think our idea first, right? Think. Then we need to deep dive into the codes to know how the buttons or where the buttons, and also maybe, there's button, but when we click the buttons, it's going to pop up model. So how are we going to do that? It's really cumbersome, actually. Especially it's a website that's really maybe have a lot of animation and movements. It's not really nice. So then after we deep dive into the code, we go to the Selenium, and then we write the codes, date times, repetitive tasks, and automate. And remember, when the website changes, this is what we need to do again. And deep dive into the code is the one I think most taking our time. The solution, 3 steps, solution. Write your idea, not think, but write. Difference is difference, write and not think. I will show you guys later what do I mean by that. Really interesting things, I'm really happy about this. Then we paste our code, our source code, web source code, because Selenium is a web-based, not web-based, but we test a website, then generate and automate. Really easy. So, this is the simple prototype that I have done like one day, something like that. Just to prove something we can use and develop in the near future that will help us to become more productive and also efficient. So Mr. Ling is coming back again. Mr. Ling, I think, I just said to Mr. Ling, I have solution, I do the prototype, I give to him, then let's see what he wants to say. Mr. Ling? Mr. Ling? Yes, good. Are you good? Yeah.
Okay. Hello guys. Welcome back. So right now I will try just like how can we say to use his automation tools, right? So let's try to find the automation tool. So let me get my keyboard again. Let me open it. Right, so that goes. Alright, so this is the Selenium Automation Code Generator, as he say, he developed this just for prototype, but I've actually have tried it. It's pretty nice, and the potential is really cool and really big actually. But you guys will never know if you guys didn't see it, right? So let's try to use it. Okay. So maybe in this Selenium Automation Code Generator, we can have, maybe I need something to test, right? Just like I test the website I just showed you before these websites. Let's try to test it. So we have email, passwords, and sign credential. Maybe I want to check all the credentials, all the inputs box if it has that. I need to assert if there is one email input and one password input and a box, right? Yeah, it's a box now, box buttons. And here we paste the source code, just like did before, the hard ways. Let's copy this. And we can close this and just paste to the box. And click on generate codes. Let's go. Let's see all the codes. Yeah, it's loading data. So let's wait a little bit and see how this thing goes. Okay, the code has loaded up. Yeah, they wrote for us. Nice. Maybe we can just copy it. This one, this sections, we copy this. And let's open our Visual Studio Code and we paste it into our block of classes. Make sure the driver is Chrome driver. The IP, we need to make this sign in, not IP, the URL, right? And paste it here. And I think we're good to go. It's not now. Buttons, save it all, and let's run all the tests. Doof! Magic! Magic! And here is the result.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Harold, can you pause it?
And now the result is.
Yeah, click in the middle, maybe go to the wait. Let us see. Right. Yeah, what happened? Okay. What happened that made Mr. Lee really excited until he said magic, magic, right? So basically, like I said, we write our ideas, we don't do anything. Just like we see, we have an input box of 2, a button, and we tell to our Selenium Automation Code Generator, I want to check if there's 2 input box and a button, then automatically we try to generate code for us, copy and paste, and yeah, we got the button. Yeah, pretty interesting thing. It saves a lot of times for us to think, so we can do more important thing, right? Documentation.
And I think we're good to go. It's not now. Buttons, save it all, and let's run all the tests. Doof! Magic! Magic! And here is the result. Really nice. And now the result is going well. Yeah, it's going well. Maybe we can try another thing, it's like more complicated things. So, start. Sign in, maybe? Yeah, I think we do a sign in. So, let's try to get the sign in pages, the result page. So, this is the result page. Maybe we can also inspect element this page or open the source code, right? And we can copy the source code. Let me copy right here. Let's paste it into enable result. And to paste here. Yeah, here, paste here. Okay, I need to assert successfully login of a user, and below yeah, we need to specify this. It is the result one, the login page, and also the result pages. Page to check if user is successfully logged in. Okay, let's correct the spelling of big. And I think we are good to go. Let's generate it, bro.
Yeah.
And while it comes
Come
back, the login is completed, and we can copy all the codes that have been written for us. Yeah, it's pretty lot of codes. And we just pieces just like we have done before for the login. And don't forget to change the URL. Let's try to get it again. Sign out URL. And now we can paste it. Maybe we try to make a fake login. Yeah. So wrong.com and wrong password.
So it's the wrong password.
Then run all the tests just like before. Yeah, sign in fail. Let's wait a little bit for the Selenium to take place. Let's see if the test is failed. Yeah, it's failed. Now, for us to do the real things, we will put the correct credential and see how it goes. Test@mail.com and share this test. And right now it's time for the magic begins. Yeah. It's working. It's working, bro.
Yeah, so that's the video from Mr. Lee. I don't know if he's really interested and excited about the tools, or he's just trying a lot of Red Bulls. Alright, yeah, so as you guys see, right, first we just use one box to describe anything, but later we add on, we have a result box. So basically this is an innovation. We can innovate more and make our life easier. Okay, that is next. Okay, just a little bit more, yeah. So what's the next step? The next step is from these tools. I want to say that we can make a pure automation, just like maybe we just put a link and the link idea, then it will automate login it itself, something like that. And yeah, assistance, great. Documentation, great. Create your documentation for you, automate by test case step using AI. Yeah, that's all from me. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you.